Okay children, now our lesson part is over. Coming to the exercise. Okay, answer the following questions. Okay. First question. What crops are grown in mountain soils? What crops are grown in mountain soils? In your textbook, under mountain soils heading, you can see what kind of crops are grown in mountain soils. Maize, paddy, wheat, soybean, sugarcane and fruits are grown in mountain soils. So which are the crops grown in mountain soils, children? Maize, paddy, wheat, soybean, sugarcane and fruits are grown in mountain soils. Okay. Now, second question. What is soil? How is it formed? What is soil? The topmost fertile layer of the earth's surface is called soil. So what is soil, children? The topmost fertile layer of the earth's surface is called soil. How is it formed? How soil is formed? Soil is formed with combination of 5 soil forming factors such as parental material means rock, climate, topography, I said like valleys, hills, mountains, etc. Isn't it? Biological organism means living organism and time. So the soil is formed with combination of 5 soil forming factors such as parental material, climate, topography, biological organisms and time. So what is soil? How is it formed? The topmost fertile layer of earth's surface is called soil. Soil is formed with the combination of 5 soil forming factors such as parent material, topography, climate, biological organism and time. Okay. Now our third question is, how many types of soils are there? What are they? So which are the major types of soil? There are six types of soil. Which are they? They are mountain soil, alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, desert soil and laterite soil. Yes. Now, what is mean by soil erosion? Our fourth question is, what is mean by soil erosion? The removal of topsoil by the action of wind or water is known as soil erosion. The removal of topsoil by the action of wind or water is known as soil erosion. Now coming to the last question, the fifth question. Mention the important measures of soil conservation. The important measures of soil conservation is to plant a row of trees. I told belt of trees, a row of trees, or to plant shelter belts. So the important measures of soil conservation is to plant a row of trees or to plant shelter belts. Okay. Yes, children. So our next exercise is fill up the following blanks using a clue kit. In your textbook, they have given a clue kit. In that you have to search the answers and you have to write. Okay. So our first question is, washing away of the soil is dash. Washing away of the soil is called, yes, soil erosion. Washing away of soil is called soil erosion. Washing away of soil is called soil erosion. Dash soils are less fertile lands. Which soils are called less fertile? Yes, Laterite soil. Laterite soils are less fertile lands. Third question. Mountain soils are very good for dash. Mountain soils are very good for, in the clue kit it is given, it is orchid crops. Orchid crops. So mountain soils are good, very good for orchid crops. Now this fourth question is, dash soils are red in color as it is mixed with iron oxides. Which soil are red in color? Yes, red soils. Red. The last question, wheat, bajra, groundnut can be grown in dash soil. The one word left there is, yes, desert. So wheat, bajra, groundnut can be grown in desert soils. Okay. So washing away of the soil is called soil erosion. The soils which are less fertile land are laterite soils. Mountain soils are very good for orchid crops. Then the soil which are red in color is red soils. Wheat, bajra, groundnut can be grown in desert soil. Yes, children, so we are coming to our next exercise. It is nothing but write yes or no for the following statements. So given below are few statements. There you have to read the statement and see whether it is right or wrong. So if the statement is correct, write yes. If the statement is wrong, write no. Okay. So the first statement is, mountain soils are formed from the small broken pieces of stones. Is the statement is right or wrong, children? Mountain soils are formed from the small broken pieces of stones. Soil usually formed from breaking down of stones only, isn't it? So the statement is right. So the answer is yes. Okay. Next statement, second statement, wheat, rice, cotton, sugarcane and pulses are grown on black soil. Is the statement right? Wheat, rice, cotton, sugarcane and pulses are grown on black soil. The statement is right or wrong? It is wrong. So the answer is no. Okay. Next, third statement. High temperature and heavy rainfall transformed the black soil into laterite. Because of heavy temperature and heavy rainfall, black soil converts to laterite soil. Yes or no? The statement is right. So the answer is yes. Okay. Now, fourth statement, paddy, wheat, soybean and even sugarcane are grown in red soil. Is it? What about paddy? These crops are grown in red soil, children. See, paddy, wheat, soybean and sugarcane. They are grown in which soil actually? In mountain soil, isn't it? So, the statement is wrong. So, the answer is no. Okay. So the last statement is, the old alluviums are clay and sticky, have a darker color. Is this statement is right or wrong, children? Old alluviums are clay and sticky, have a darker color. The answer is yes. So the answer is yes. Okay, so that's about yes or no. Mountain soils are formed from the small broken pieces of stones. Yes. Wheat, rice, cotton, sugarcane and pulses are grown on black soil. No. High temperature and heavy rainfall transform the black soil into laterite. The statement is right. So answer is yes. Paddy, wheat, soybean and even sugarcane are grown in red soil. No. The old alluviums are clay and sticky, have a darker color. The answer is yes. Yes, our next exercise, children, it is match the following. Okay, match the following. You have to match the A part with this B part. Okay, let's see. First one, northern plains. So northern plains, which soil we can found in northern plains, children? Mountain soil, desert soil, black soil, red soil, alluvial soil. So northern plain, we can found which type of soil? Think and answer. In northern plains we can find which type of soil? Alluvial soil. So the answer to the first question is E. Okay, northern plains we can in northern plains we can find alluvial soil. Second one, Himalayan regions. Which soil are found in Himalayas? Nothing but mountain soil. So the second answer is A. Okay. Now Thar desert. Which soil? It's very easy. Along with the soil, like name is there, isn't it? So Thar desert connects with desert soil. So answer to the third one is desert soil. Okay, next, Northwest Deccan Plateau. Where we can find, which soil we can find in Plateau region, the highland or farmland area? Which soil it is? It is, yes, black soil. So the fourth answer is black soil. Then last one, in Tamil Nadu, which soil get matched with Tamil Nadu? One soil is left over there. Red soil. So the answer to this is red soils are found in Tamil Nadu. This is the answer to the fifth question. Okay. Northern plains, alluvial soil. Himalayan regions, mountain soil. Thar desert, desert soil. Northwest Deccan Plateau, black soil. And Tamil Nadu, red soil. Okay. Coming to the next exercise, write any two main crops grown according to following regions. Write any two main crops grown according to following regions. Regions, crop 1, crop 2. Okay. So Deccan Plateau, in this area, in this region, what all crops can be grown in this region? Yes, what all crops can be grown, children? Yeah, sugar cane, then groundnut. Other crops are there, you can write any names, okay? I am writing sugar cane and groundnut in Deccan Plateau. Plateau region, farmland region. We can find black soil in that region. So what all crops can be grown, you can find out from the textbook, and you can write other names of the crops also. Now Rajasthan desert. Desert soil. What kind of crops can be grown there? Okay. Wheat. Then bajra. These are the crops we can see in desert soil. Now northern plains. In northern plains, what all crops can be grown? Rice, corn. These are the crops that can be grown in northern plains. Last one, hilly areas. Hilly areas or mountain areas. What kind of crops can be grown there? Paddy and soybean. Paddy, soybean. These are the two crops that can be grown in hilly areas. So, Deccan Plateau we can find sugarcane, groundnut. Rajasthan desert, wheat, bajra. Northern plains, rice, corn. Hilly areas, paddy, soybean. Now it's time for project work. Okay? Project work. So, what project is given in your textbook? Let's see. On the outline map of India, locate the areas having different types of soil and fertilizer plants. So given, see the image given, children. In the image you can see the outline map of India. Okay, in this map you have to mark where the particular type of soil is found in which state. Okay, in your textbook they have given a map of India with different states. So just look at that and write where black soil is found in which state, alluvial soil in which area, or desert soil is found in which state. You can see that and you can write. Okay, that's the project given, first one. And the second one is form groups and collect soil samples from different places. In your class, form different groups and each group go and collect some samples of some different types of soil. Okay, observe the color. Some soil are brown, some are light yellow or colorless, like that. Some kind of soil, different colors of soil you can find in different area. Try to collect 2 or 3 types. Okay, then you have to observe its color, size and components of the soil and record all this observation in your notebook. Okay, so try to do that. Now life skills. The main reason why the soil becomes contaminated or polluted or impure is due to the presence of man-made waste. Okay, human waste we say. The waste produced from nature itself, such as dead plants, carcasses of animals, means the dead plants we say, carcasses, dead plants of and animals, and rotten fruits and vegetables only adds to the fertility of the soil. These kind of wastes are good for the fertility of soil. It improves the quality of soil we say. The dead plants, the dead animals, these kind of wastes improve or add soil's quality. Other than this, the human waste are not at all good for the soil. So we must take steps to ensure that soil is free from any man-made pollution. So we must take care of soil. We have to conserve soil. Human wastes and plastics we should not dump here and there. It will get mixed with soil and soil fertility will lose. So we should take care of soil. We have to conserve it because it is very important for us. It is an essential part of our life or the part of the ecosystem we say. So we have to conserve the soil, take care of soil. Okay, thank you children.